You can keep.
I parked here this and I parked here this DS. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of 7 toy vehicles serially arranged. All are nice and beautiful models. So friends, now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. So friends, first one is here a police jeep. Let's go. So friends, after a long time I parked here my first vehicle, police jeep. This is 6-wheeler, a yellow, black and white color combination. Next one is here a water tanker. I parked here this water tanker beside this police jeep. This is realistic model, white, red and black color combination water tanker. Now I will drive this DS Tarzan car. I parked here this DS Tarzan car. This is a yellow, black, silver and blue color combination car. Another one is here a fire truck. I parked here this fire truck. This is a red, black and white color combination realistic model fire truck. Next one is here a military tanker. I parked here this military tanker beside this fire truck. This is a green, black and red color combination tanker. Friends, one by one already 5 vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. And last 2 vehicles is here. Now I will drive this police car. I parked here this police car. This is a realistic model, white, black and silver color combination this car. And last vehicles is here a fire helicopter. I also drive this one. Let's go. I also parked here this fire helicopter. This is a realistic model, red, black and white color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. All are together here serially parked. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.